a new state-of-the-art technology in torque testing. The torque tester is designed specifically for the pharmaceutical industry, combining CapCoder's cutting-edge torque control and incorporating the high-precision RWT transducer by Sensor Technology, one of the world's leading manufacturers of torque testing equipment. In accordance with new FDA legislation, our HMIs have been programmed to display live torque readouts in real time. The machines can be configured specifically for different customer requirements. A common request is to be able to test the release torque once a cap is applied. This can be set and amended within the HMI at any time. The high-precision torque transducer can achieve a resolution of 0.02% the transducer's full scale, which in this demonstration's case would equate to an accuracy of 0.2 Newton meters or 2 Newton centimeters. If the torque is outside of the set tolerance, then the machine will reject that specific product and prevent it from reaching qualified products. The torque testing unit can be integrated into any other CapCoder machine. Different products or recipes are all stored and located within the HMI. All settings, including speed, torque and head height adjustment, can be changed on recipe selection. This then eliminates the possibility of operator error. All data can be stored and uploaded as a CSV file or US digital signatures compliant. To find out more, get in touch.